welcome back to another video. And in this video what we will do is that we will set up our styles. Okay, so basically if you open this Figma file, you'll see over here that they are using basically a Sophia Pro font family, which is a premium font by Adobe, and we don't have that, right? So we'll be using something similar, and for that the something similar font that we have is that we'll go to Google and look for Poppins. Poppins is basically a font, and that is somewhat similar to what is Sophia Pro. So basically what you need to do is that go over here, click font, and then download option, right? So you can just download that file, and then once you download this, you can just extract that. And once you extract that, you'll see these TTF files that you will get, right? So what you will do is that we'll just copy this, we'll just copy all of them, right? Control C or Command C, and go into our Android Studio, and inside this resource folder, what we'll do is that we'll create another directory and call it. Okay, so inside this font you'll just paste these. Okay, and once you paste these, you'll see that there will be some errors, like the capital letters are not acceptable over here. So what you need to do is that you can just go through each one of them and rename them. Okay, so just make it all the capital like characters like this. Okay, so it will take some time, so what I'm going to do is that I'll just do it quickly. Okay, so I have these fonts already loaded and renamed, right? So the next thing what we will do is that we'll get over here into this theme section, and over here you'll see that, sorry, not over here, into this typography section, and you see that this is something that is already being set like this. So the first thing that we need to do is that we'll create Poppins font family, which is equals to font family, something like this. Okay, now this font family is basically requires a list of font, right? So what we will do is that we will define a font, and inside that what we will do is that I'll say our font, I will just import that R, import the R file dot font, and then for, like, for example, for Poppin regular, let's say something like this, and you can just define that font weight for that accordingly. Okay, then again the next one is going to be medium, then we will be having semi bold, then we'll have bold. Okay, and then we'll have font for thin as well, r gamma font dot thin, that is going to be font weight dot thin, right? We have black as well, so let's add that, right? font font extra light black. I think that's pretty much what we have, right? And then you will just use this font family from here. What we'll do is that we'll just use this font family over here. So you can see that this is basically set it as default. You can just set it over here, and since this typography is used over here in the theme, over here it will update the font accordingly, and all the element that you draw in this specific, using this specific theme, will get accordingly, right? And what else do we need? Also, you can just like re-enable these uh, text details as well, so that if you want to set some sort of things, you can just define those. In terms of text style, you have body large, title large, label small. Also, you can add a couple of more into the styles as well. So let's say body small, that is going to be text style. Font family is equals to, right, font weight is going to be normal, font size is going to be 14, line height should be 20, and then letter spacing you can also define. So the thing is, basically you can all set all these kind of things, right? But once you all set all these things, and now let's just run the code, you will see slight difference. Like right now the hello Android is looking like this, but now once the font is applied, the design will be slightly different. Now you can see that the font has updated and it is slightly different than the one. And that was basically what we wanted in this video. So I hope you like the video. I'll see you in the next video. So till then, have a great day. Happy coding. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video, comment down below and share the video with your friends. For similar content, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you have any queries, you can join my Discord server where we discuss different kind of things. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.